Hello students, today onwards I am going to start the next lesson from your syllabus. I have written your name. In the last video we have finished the lesson some applications of trigonometry, and after that I am going to start the lesson from algebra. That is also very important lesson from your syllabus and very simple lesson. This lesson is also helpful to you people for scoring purpose, and this lesson will help you for merit purpose also. Are you getting? Listen here, the name of the lesson I have written over here, quadratic equation. As you know that in the polynomial only we have discussed about the quadratic polynomial means what. This same point we are carrying over here in the quadratic equations. Means the polynomial which is having degree 2, highest degree is what? 2. That polynomial is known as quadratic polynomial. You know that very well. By using that only we will see now here quadratic equation means what, and then we will continue the further lesson. Okay, then first of all I am going to tell you what is meant by quadratic equation. Quadratic equation means what? Let me tell you definition. A quadratic equation in the variable x is an equation. A quadratic equation in the variable x is an equation of the form x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. What I said I will write here, look, because those points only you have to write in the notes. A quadratic equation, a quadratic equation, a quadratic equation in the variable x, in the variable x, a quadratic equation in the variable x is an equation of the form, try to understand definition, is an equation of the form x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. X square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Read once again. A quadratic equation in the variable x is an equation of the form x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, c are real numbers and a is not equal to 0. What I said? Where a, b and c are real numbers, a, b, c are real numbers and a is not equal to 0. Are you getting? Okay. A quadratic equation means what? A quadratic equation in the variable x is an equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a, b and c are real numbers and a is not equal to 0. Here this what I written, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0, is called the standard form of the quadratic equation. Are you getting? Once I will write here what I said. Here ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0 is called as standard form of quadratic equation. Do you understand? Is known as standard form of quadratic equation. This is the introduction of this quadratic equation. As you know that, no need to tell you more. The polynomial which is having degree 2, the polynomial which is having degree 2, that is known as the quadratic polynomial. Regarding to that only, a quadratic equation I told, a quadratic equation in the variable x is an equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a, b and c are real numbers and a should not be 0. A is not equal to 0. Here ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0 is called as the standard form of the quadratic equation. You must remember both things about the quadratic equation. One is this one, the equation which can be written in this form, ax square plus bx plus c form, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 form. This equation is known as quadratic equation whose highest degree is 2. Are you getting? Whose highest degree is what? 2. And that equation is having both LHS and RHS, where a should not be 0. Remember, a should not be 0. This ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is known as standard form of a quadratic equation. Is known as standard form of a quadratic equation. Okay, those are the very important thing regarding to the introduction of the quadratic equation. Now I am going to start the first point in this lesson. I have written here already example. I will show you what to do over here. Look here. Represent the following situations mathematically in the form of quadratic equations. Like that, examples are asked in the exam many times for 2 marks. Little bigger or word problem is given to you. That word problem you have to convert into the quadratic equation. How to convert that word problem in the quadratic equation, that I am going to elaborate front of you. Listen here carefully and try to understand. Okay, what is the instruction? Once again you read, represent the following situations mathematically in the form of quadratic equations. Means this is one situation is given to us, that situation we have to write in the form of quadratic equation. Okay, read this situation. You will see, John and Jivanti together have 45 marbles. John and Jivanti together have 45 marbles. Both of them lost 5 marbles each. Both of them lost 5 marbles each, and the product of the number of marbles they now have is 124, and the product of the number of marbles they now have is 124. We would like to find out how many marbles they had to start with. We would like to find out how many marbles they had to start with. This is the given situation. We have to find out how many marbles they had to start with, means in the beginning how many marbles they were having we want to find. But for that purpose we should not find that by using the quadratic equation. We have to only represent the given situation in the form of quadratic equation. They may ask like that example for solving purpose also, means we have to first of all convert this in the quadratic form, then we have to find out by using the different methods of quadratic equations. When you will see different methods of quadratic equation, that time I will tell you how to solve this equation. But now the point is that we have to convert this situation in the form of quadratic equation. If you will observe carefully, then you will come to know that here John and Jivanti together have 45 marbles. Both of them lost 5 marbles each, and the product of the number of marbles they now have is 124. This is the exact situation of this example. Are you getting? Means suppose in John and Jivanti both are having 45 marbles. Suppose we will consider one or the other, means the number of marbles who is having, John is having, suppose we will consider. Otherwise number of marbles suppose Jivanti is having, we will consider. Then we can find the next marbles, means others marbles. Suppose we will consider John's marbles, then we can find Jivanti marbles. Suppose we will consider Jivanti marbles, then we can find John's marbles. Then what we will do, first of all, here John and Jivanti both are there, that's why we will consider the number of marbles in the beginning John is having. Suppose we will consider the number of marbles John is having x, then we can find easily the Jivanti how many marbles she was having in the beginning. We have to subtract that x from this 45. Are you getting? Then we will get the Jivanti was also having how many marbles in the beginning. Like that we have to start. Look here how to convert this. I am going to show you. Solution. Look, what I told you, we are going to consider over here the number of marbles in the beginning. John, how many he was having marbles. Okay. Let us consider the number of marbles John had. We will consider now. Let us consider, as usual we are considering, before that also we have seen. Let us consider the number of marbles John had be, suppose as I told you, we will consider x. Let us consider the number of marbles John had be X. Then the number of marbles Jivanti had, how we can get? Look here, I will show you. Then the number of marbles, I will write here Jivanti, okay, these you don't consider. Then the number of marbles Jivanti had, as I told you, suppose John is having X marbles, then both together are having 45 marbles. When we will subtract these X from this 45, we will get Jivanti's marbles. Means 45 minus X. 45 minus X. Next, both of them lost 5 marbles each, and the product of the number of marbles they now have is 124. Means John also lost 5 marbles and Jivanti also lost 5 marbles. Now they are having from those marbles. Now John is having X marbles and Jivanti is having 45 minus X marbles. The number of marbles left with John when he lost 5 marbles, how many, that now we will find out. And then the number of marbles after loss of 5 marbles, after loss of 5 marbles, Jivanti how many marbles will have, that also we will find out first. Now the number of marbles, then now the number of marbles left with now the number of marbles left with whom? John, when he lost 5 marbles. The number of marbles left with John when he lost 5 marbles. When he lost 5 marbles is equal to total number of marbles John is having X. He lost now 5 marbles, means X minus 5. Okay. Then Jivanti's, now time of Jivanti. The number of marbles left with Jivanti when she lost 5 marbles, like that we will write only. Then the number of marbles left with Jivanti when she lost how many marbles? 5 marbles. What I written, look here. Then the number of marbles left with Jivanti when she lost 5 marbles. How many marbles will remain? Now she is having 45 minus X marbles. We will subtract 5 from that. What we will get? See, I will write here. Okay, is equal to 45 minus X minus 5. Got idea? Now she is having 45 minus X marbles minus 5. Then what we will get? 45 minus 5, that is equal to 40 minus X marbles. Now Jivanti is having how many marbles? 40 minus X. Okay. Now we will use the next condition which is given over here. What is that next condition? Look here. Both of them lost 5 marbles each, and the product of the number of marbles they now have. Look here, it's very important. This is very important condition. Both of them lost 5 marbles each, and the product of the number of marbles they now have is 124. Means after losing 5 marbles, John and Jivanti, when they lost 5 marbles, after that the number of marbles remain when we are taking the product. Product means multiplication of those 2 marbles. Then we are getting what? 124. Those 2 marbles in which sense I said? Those 2 marbles means number of marbles having John and number of marbles having Jivanti. When we will take multiplication of that, we will get 124. Okay, that will be used here. Then the product of marbles now, look here, I'll write what I said. Then the product of marbles is 124. Okay, then after losing 5 marbles, John is having how many marbles? X minus 5, we have seen. Therefore x minus 5, and Jivanti is having 40 minus x is equal to product of those two numbers is what? We have written here 124. Got idea what I did? According to this given condition, means after losing 5 marbles of, means when John lost 5 marbles, he is having x minus 5 marbles, and when Jivanti lose 5 marbles, she is having now 40 minus x marbles. Then when we are taking the product of both marbles, means number of marbles those who are having now, we are getting 124. We will solve this equation. What we will get? See, x into 40, 40x, x into, look here, first of all we will multiply this x to this bracket, x into 40, 40x, plus into minus, minus, x into x, x square. Okay, next minus into plus, minus 5 into 40, 5 into 40, you know that very well, 200. Now look here, next minus into minus, plus 5 into x, 5x is equal to 124. We will write in the form of quadratic equation. What we will get? See, minus x square. Okay, look here, 40x plus 5x means plus 45x minus 200. This also will take here. What we will get? See, minus 124 is equal to 0. Okay, we got like that equation. See this equation once again, minus x square plus 45x minus 200 minus 124. Are you getting? Look here, but this is now minus. Whenever we are getting minus sign over here, we have to convert that into the plus. We will multiply both this total equation by minus 1. Okay, no need to write here, we can write directly. Multiply this by minus 1, we will get in the plus x square minus 45x. Where there is minus, there will get plus. Where there is plus, will get minus. This will also plus 200 plus 124 is equal to 0. Then the quadratic equation, what you will get? See, x square minus 45x plus 324 is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation which we have represented this situation in the form of quadratic. Okay, or we can say this situation we have converted in the form of quadratic equation. What is the quadratic equation? I will show you once again. Look here, x square minus 45x plus x square minus 45x plus 324 is equal to 0. Got idea? Understood up to this step? Okay, once again I have one example I have written here. That example also I will show you for your better understanding. Look here, a cottage industry produces a certain of toys. It's very important. Look here, a cottage industry produces a certain of toys, certain number of toys, ऐसा भी हो सकता है. A cottage industry produces a certain number of toys in a day. The cost of production of each toy, it's very important. Look here once again, the cost of production of each toy in rupees was found to be 55 minus. The cost of production of each toy in rupees was found to be 55 minus the number of toys produced in a day. On a particular day, the total cost of production was rupees 750. We would like to find out the number of toys produced on that day. Okay, now look the conditions, you will come to know that how to convert that. First of all, if you will see carefully, then you will come to know that here we have to consider the number of toys produced on that day. You have to consider what? Number of toys produced on that day, because we want to find out that only. These equations are not asked for converting into the form of quadratic equation. They may ask these equations or these type of questions to solve and find out the number of toys by using the quadratic equations. ऐसे भी ये हमें क्वेश्चन पूछे जा सकते हैं, इसलिए ये ध्यान से देखो कैसे कन्वर्ट कर रहा हूँ मैं. ओके, अ कॉटेज इंडस्ट्री प्रोड्यूसेस अ सर्टन नंबर ऑफ टॉयज इन अ डे. द कॉस्ट ऑफ प्रोडक्शन ऑफ ईच टॉय, समझ लो, द कॉस्ट ऑफ प्रोडक्शन ऑफ ईच टॉय was found to be 55 minus the number of toys produced in that day. यानी कि एक दिन में जितने टॉयज प्रोड्यूस होते हैं उसमें से हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, we have to subtract, we have to minus 55, then that will be what, look here, it's very important, the cost of the production of each toy. Then that will be what, cost of the production of each toy. Then on a particular day the total cost of production is given over here 750 rupees. Okay, then we would like to find out the number of toys produced on that day. Then we have to find out the number of toys, means how many toys are produced on that day. Okay, as usual we have to consider, first of all let us consider the number of toys produced on that day, x. Okay, I will write here what I said. Look here carefully. Let us consider the number of toys produced on that day. We will consider x. What we have considered? X. Suppose x number of toys are produced on that day. Got idea? Let us consider the number of toys produced on that day, x. Okay. The next, therefore the cost of production of each toy of that day according to this condition. देखो इधर ध्यान से देखो. Okay, the cost of production of each toy was found to be 55 minus the number of toys. We have considered here number of toys x. We have considered here number of toys x. Are you getting? Then the cost of production of each toy. Are you getting? Then the cost of production of each toy. What is number of toys minus 55, means x minus 55. Got idea? Number of toys, once again see you, found to be 55 minus the number of toys. No, 55 minus the number of toys. Look here, sorry for this mistake. Look here, it's very important. Maximum time we are getting confusion in this type of question. Look here, the cost of production of each toy was found to be 55 minus number of toys. Number of toys is what? X. Got idea? Next, look here. So the total cost of production of that particular day, by using this we can find out now. So the total cost of production of that particular day means what? X into 55 minus x. Are you getting? X into 55 minus x, because here it is told only. Look here, the cost of production of each toy was found to be 55 minus the number of toys produced in a day. On a particular day the cost of production is 750. Are you getting? Means when we are multiplying this to this, we are getting the total number of cost, means 55 minus x. Got it up to this step? But on that day, what is the cost of production is given over here? What is 750? Means we will use this condition and we will find out the quadratic equation. Are you getting? But total cost is given, that is rupees 750. That is rupees what? 750. Therefore x in bracket 55 minus x. Look here what I am writing, listen carefully. X in bracket 55 minus x is equal to 750. I will solve this. Therefore x into 55, what you will get? 55 x plus into minus x into x square is equal to 750. लाइक प्रीवियस इक्वेशन, जैसे हमने पहला इक्वेशन देखा था, इधर भी वैसे ही कन्वर्ट करेंगे. ओके, वी विल राइट इन द सीक्वेंस माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 55x, we will transfer this minus 750 is equal to 0. Therefore, we have to multiply by minus 1. X square minus 55x plus 750 is equal to 0. Got idea? Okay. Above is the required quadratic equation. Above is the required quadratic equation. Full stop. Got idea? Look here. Once again, what I did? Simply I have multiplied. I got this quadratic equation. Okay. So listen here. In the today's lecture, what I told you. First of all, I told you I will show you the now notes. What to write in the notes. Look and try to understand. Listen carefully. Look here, in the today's video, I have shown you first of all the concept of quadratic equation. In this concept of quadratic equation, I told you what is meant by quadratic equation, then standard form of quadratic equation. Then the next point we have started. This is the first point in this lesson. Represent the following situations mathematically in the form of quadratic equations. Here we have seen one example. First example is John and Juvanti's example. In that what we considered and what we have taken, I have shown here. Then finally we got like that answer. Then second example we have seen regarding the cottage industry. In that how to consider the situations and how to find out the answer. Here we found the quadratic equation in both examples. But some maximum time they are asking. We have to convert the quadratic equation first of all, and we have to solve it, and we have to find out the answer. Okay, like that examples we will continue in the next video. Thank you.